What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I know it's a bit windy on the outside, but I'll try my best to let you guys hear what I'm saying. Alright, so today we're here at Phoenix Park Village 2, and we're here only because we were asked to provide an update. Well, to be specific, a drone update of what is going on. Alright, so we are here today to honor that request. Like we've always been saying, if there's something that you want to see, if there is something that you like or you don't like, you can leave it down in the comments, and as best as we can, we will address it. So we're going to give it that drone shot right now. But remember, if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, go right ahead and do so. Remember to share these videos with your friends and your family members. Remember, guys, to like the videos. Remember to leave your comment. Alright, and remember, the journey continues with ChriSamz. We are here for any journey at all that we can help you guys on, or any journey that you guys want to follow us on. We are here for that. So today, we're not going to do much talking. We're going to just fly the drone in the sky so you can see what is going on. As you can see behind me, the road is being worked on. A lot of things are happening over this side of the world. So just in case you have not been able to come and look at yourself, here we go, giving you the drone shot, the update. And I hope you guys enjoy, and thank you so much for tuning in one more time. So guess what? Drone time. thank you for watching this video. Thank you for taking the journey with us. I hope you enjoyed that shot. I hope for the persons who already made their purchase, you will see the progress that is being made here, and your units will be ready in the specified time that you were given. So until next time, guys, we catch you in another video, and it's peace out from ChriSamz. And remember, just leave your comments down below. If there's another property that you want to see and we can make it happen, we will make it happen. Share the video, subscribe, like. Zin, big up on yourself all the time, and thanks for making it. ChriSamz. Later, guys.